Hey, what's up guys, this is me and yes, you all are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M31s. So without further ado, let's get started. This is what the retail packaging of the Samsung Galaxy M31 look like. On the top you will be getting is a Samsung branding, and it looks kind of really simple. I'm going to quickly take the first leaf, and on the box you'll be getting is this small box. There you go. At the back side you'll be getting is this SIM ejector pin. At the bottom, just take it out, and this is the warranty card, quick start guide, and that original book. Keeping it aside, you'll be getting is your phone itself, and this is what the phones look like. We'll get to that in a moment. Keeping it aside, and that's the C to C cable, and this is not a USB to USB-C cable. This is C to C. I show you, and this is the C to power C cable. Doing it aside, you will be getting a 25-volt power adapter in the box, and this is what the beauty of the smartphone. And this is also a C powered, as I told you. Quick charge, and there you go. That's the rating of this power adapter. Keeping all things aside, let me just go and take a sleeve of the smartphone. There you go. That's the phone, and that's everything. And that's the first boot of the smartphone. There you go. Samsung Galaxy M31s, powered by Android, secured by NOC. We'll get to you in a moment after a quickly setup and that all stuff. After the setting up this phone, now it's time to peel off this edges sticker. And that's the phone look like from the first. I quickly set up this phone, and pretty much everything on this smartphone is really good. At the back side you'll be getting is the quad camera setup, and this is a 64 megapixel primary sensor, which is one of the coolest thing on this device. On the front side you'll be getting is this punch hole display, which kind of looks a really good thing on this device. The display is kind of really good, and the phone doesn't feel that much heavier in the hand. As for me, this is also a lightest phone. You'll be getting 6000 mAh, but you can't feel that 6000 mAh on the body. At the back, this is look like a glass body, but no, it's a kind of plastic body. I'm really loving this smartphone, and this phone currently I'm holding is the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. And this phone is going to come with Android 10 One UI 2.1 out of the box. That's the one thing I want to tell you. Android 10, and that makes this phone literally a smooth, aesthetic, and really nice. It doesn't feel that it's made out of that much heavy body, and everything feels really fast, easy, and nice to handle. So that was the beauty look like. Now check it out, the benchmarks and that other stuff. So I run to the benchmark, and this is what it came to. This is single core at 348, multi-core at 1255, and this is running Android 10 as I show you, and this is Exynos 911 processor you'll be getting on this phone. Now let's talk about the cluster one. They are divided into 4 cores, both the clusters, which is the cluster 1 is 4 cores at 1.7874 gigahertz, and the second cluster is 4 cores at 2.31 gigahertz. now let's talk about the memory information. And this is taking a 7.39 gigs of RAM, which is kind of really good. And I'm gonna say this is average kind of score came off with single core and multi-core both the sides. Now let's talk about the SIM tray itself. So let me just take this SIM ejector pin and pull this SIM card tray out. And this is an hybrid slot. On the front side you'll be getting is the micro HD, and at the back side you'll be getting is the dual 4G VoLTE supports for two SIMs. And this is a hybrid slot, a really good combination. They are divided and it looks kinda really good also. I go and put this bad boy in again. Now let's talk about the cameras. You'll be getting is the quad camera setup, which is 64 megapixel Sony IMX sensor, which is at 682. Secondly, you'll be getting is the 8 megapixel ultra wide. Then you got is the 5 megapixel macro camera, and the last is the 5 megapixel depth sensor with a single LED flash. One thing I want to tell you, when this phone was listed everywhere, this phone with the camera they told as Samsung's intelligent camera, and we're gonna test that camera also. For that, press the bell icon and never miss updates from the tech. So now let's talk about the sensors. You'll be getting is the gyroscope, compass, and many other sensors. And if we talk about the total, you'll be getting is the 33 total. If you want to rate, you can pause the video and have what you want. It's time to set up face unlock and the fingerprint scanner. So first we're gonna do the fingerprint scanner one. As I told you, it is a side mounted fingerprint scanner. So after setting up this board, I'll be back. Setting up the fingerprint scanner, now it's time to set. So double tap the wig, and pretty much faster than I thought it. So once again we're gonna do. So double tap to wake it up. Pretty much faster, pretty much. Once again we're gonna do. Oh, it's unlocked. Oh my god, it's that much faster. Real good. So after setting up the fingerprint scanner, as I showed you, it was pretty much faster. Now it's time to set up the secondary security, which is the face unlock. So that's the option of the that's the face unlock. Now let's continue. That's the thing which is really good. If you wear a glass, just register yes or no. I especially don't wear it, so I wanna take no. So there you go. Just go and register my face. That is a face register. Okay, so now the face is registered, as they're showing you how it gonna work and that all stuff. And now let me just go and turn the phone off and double tap. Oh, that's unlocked. Oh, once again we're gonna do. Oh, that's pretty much faster also. Once again we're gonna do that again. That's the both of the security, as I showed you, the fingerprint scanner and the face unlock. Both were pretty much faster, and they are really awesome in their own way. So this phone will be coming with the two colors. Currently I'm having this one. This is the Mirage Blue, and the second color you will be getting is the Mirage Black. Now let's talk about the variants. You'll be getting is the two variants, which is 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB internal storage, and this one is the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. You might be thinking why this video is kinda late. See, we, especially me, I was waiting for the 6 gigs of variant on every website, but after all, this wasn't there in stock, and I thought why not to go with the 8 gig one. So I took up some efforts and bought this 8 GB of variant, and finally I have this. Especially the camera, I will make a separate video. You have to just press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Now you might be thinking why the unboxing was kind of really bad. Not that much bad, but you know, there was some disappointments on our unboxing. And this was our very first unboxing, especially in front of you, and so there was some mistakes. We will try our best to make it more enhanced and more impressive, that you can actually have real good detail and understanding towards every smartphone, everything you want to unbox on our channel. So that was the pretty much everything about Samsung Galaxy M31s. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure hit the like button, share among your friends, and as I told you, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any other updates from the tech. And this is me, your friend Diava, signing home. I will catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay with tech.